Hi, I'm Cole Zanchetta, the project manager with Tomlinson. We're here at the Hallecks Road underpass. So today we're doing the bridge deck placement. We've got 216 cubic meters of concrete to put on top of the tub girders. So the bridge deck is probably the most difficult component of the bridge. It took us about 5 weeks to get to this point from the day that we put up the steel tub girders. So all that is precast concrete panels on top of the tubs themselves, and then lots of formwork in between, and then a lot of steel on top of that. During the deck placement, we had Belay Brothers pumps here. There's a 56 meter and a 47 meter concrete pump, one on either side of the bridge, north and south. It was roughly 24 trucks of concrete. When we get started, we have to put a bunch of concrete in the deck end, goes on top of the abutment, and encases the ends of the girders. From that, we start the bid well, and the bid well is the finishing machine that passes over the bridge back and forth. Behind the bid well, we have hand finishers, both behind and beside the bid well, to finish the top of the coping wall and the overhangs of the bridge. On top of that, we have another 4 or 5 guys associated with just burlap to help the curing of the concrete. The burlap has to be maintained wet all times during the day, which can be a challenge when it's sunny out like it is today. So today, the bridge deck placement, we were on site at 5:30 this morning. We should be done at about 5 o'clock tonight. So it makes for a bit of a long day, but relatively speaking, it's a pretty small bridge deck. After the bridge deck, we're gonna be backfilling the structure right up to the very top of the road surface, so the top of granularity surface. Then we'll start constructing the sleeper slab and the approach slab, which builds the expansion joints at the ends of the bridge. At the same time, we're going to try to build the parapet walls on either side of the bridge for traffic protection. It will be about a month until we get all of that done, and from that time will be about 3 weeks until completion.